Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys another rich hair growth treatment. So if you want to promote hair growth naturally, you want to consider watching this video till the end, as I'm going to make this recipe very simple. So to make this hair growth treatment, we're going to be needing chia seeds. So chia seeds are tiny black and white seeds, and I personally think when you look up close at them, they look like tiny castor seeds. So yeah, these seeds are actually odorless and flavorless, which when they are wet, they form this gelatinous coating. So I went ahead and measured 4 teaspoons of the chia seeds, and I added some water to it because you need the seeds to soak up. Go ahead and stir this up just to make sure that every seed is covered with water, because these seeds need to really soak up the water. So yeah, I'm going ahead to do that, and I'll just set it aside for about 6 hours. These seeds do not actually take that long to soak up. So, and I'm back and they are fully soaked. It's about 6 to 7 hours now, and yeah, this is how they look swollen. And one thing I noticed, unlike flaxseed gel or flax seeds actually release their gel, but chia seeds do not release their gel. They just hold on to the gel. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and blend it up. That way you'll be able to get the gel, because apart from that, it's going to be very hard because they do not release their gel. Like I just said, they hold on to it. So the gel is released, but it hangs around the seeds, and these seeds are very tiny. So yeah, I'll go ahead and blend this up, and then we'll be back. So apart from using chia seeds externally, that's on your hair, you can also ingest them because they are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, phosphorus, and calcium, which play a very big part in promoting healthy hair and skin. So you can add them to your smoothie, add them to your yogurt. They are very nice and very healthy. So while I blend, let's go ahead and look at some of the benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are known to have a very high amount of phosphorus, which encourages hair growth. They contain abundant of L-lysine, which is a building block of protein known to promote hair growth. They also have 9 of the essential amino acids that are related to stronger hair, skin, and nails. So this treatment is very rich. I'm done blending, and this is how it looks. So I'll go ahead and strain out the milk. Yeah, you do not want those particles in your hair because, as you can see, it's not smooth. So yeah, just go ahead and use a muslin cloth or whatever cloth you have, and I'll strain out the milk. So we want to use only the milk for this treatment. I love to apply this rich milks to my hair because it's just amazing. I love the way it makes my hair feel. So yeah, I'm done straining it, and this is how it looks. It's very rich. So yeah, it has a little bit of slime to it. Yeah, I think it's because I added way more water. So if you're really going but for the slime or the jelly-like feel, you want to put less water, just enough for the seeds to soak. Yeah. So I'm going ahead and pouring that into my applicator bottle as usual, because this makes for easy application. So yeah, and I'm ready to use this on my hair. In one of my videos, someone was asking if I apply my treatments on co-washed hair. Yes, I do. Actually, most of the time I apply this treatment on co-washed hair. I just wash my hair maybe the night before, because that's when I have time, and then just leave it till the next day when I do the treatment, and then apply it to my hair. So yeah, to answer your question, I always apply this treatment on clean hair, because then again, you don't want to apply these rich treatments to dirty hair. You don't want any possibility of maybe the dirt on your scalp, maybe blocking the treatment from penetrating and all of that. So you want to apply your treatments on clean hair, freshly washed hair. Just make sure your hair is clean. If you shampoo or you co-wash, either way, just make sure your hair is clean. You go ahead and apply it. And I always say focus on the scalp. I like to apply to my scalp very well before moving to the length of my hair. This product makes for easy detangling, so detangling was very easy for me, and it also made my hair very soft. So I really did love it. It makes my hair very soft and easy to detangle. So yeah, I also added some shine to my hair. This treatment can be done once a week. So yeah, you can just choose one day in a week and then do your treatment. It must not be on your wash day. I usually just spread out my wash days because I don't have time to do all the hair treatments on one day. So I wash my hair on one day and do my treatments on another, maybe a day later or 2 days later. So yeah, you don't have to do everything, but just make sure once a week you can do this. So it's a weekly treatment. You can just do this once a week and your hair is strengthened and prepared for growth. So yeah, it's so rich in nutrients, minerals, proteins, and everything that helps to strengthen your hair. So I really did love how it made my hair feel, and it's very lightweight, easy to use, and there you go. So when I'm done applying, I'll just go ahead and twist it up and move to the other section and do the same. Just apply it, make sure you focus on your scalp, and then move to the length of your hair. And yeah, when your whole hair is completed, you go ahead and twist it as well. And also do not forget to massage your scalp. It's like I have to say this in every video because I myself am guilty of forgetting. It's very good to massage your scalp. We can look at it as a very, let's say, common or simple, not common, as a very simple thing, but most of us do not ever remember to do scalp massages. So yeah, when you apply your treatment, like I always say, please do massage your scalp for blood circulation. When blood circulates and flows to the scalp, it promotes hair growth. So you want to make sure that you are not leaving out your scalp massages. Just take your time and massage your scalp. So you can even go and do your research on the points of the head that you can massage, because there are some points on the head that you can focus your massage on, and it really works. So yeah, go ahead and do your research and make sure that you take your scalp massage seriously. So guys, you can see my hair is feeling very soft. My fingers are just going through. It's easy to detangle, it's manageable. So yeah, this treatment really works, and it also moisturizes my hair. Like, the moisturization is insane. Moisturization is not even a word, but yeah, the moisture, it's insane after this, especially after using a steaming cap, because I do have low porosity hair. If you have low porosity hair, I'll advise that whichever treatment you do, make sure you apply heat. Just cover your head with a plastic bag, and then you use a steaming cap. I always use my steaming cap, and after that you're going to see that the results are amazing. Your hair comes out looking very soft, moisturized, easy to manage. And yeah, so yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.